Hi everyone, welcome to your own channel Anisha Genius Labs and let's try to understand some more PYQs of electrochemistry. Questions आपके सामने स्क्रीन पे आते जाएंगे. Question number 2 आप देख पा रहे होंगे. Faraday's law of electrolysis are related to atomic number of reactants, atomic number of anion, equivalent weight of electrolyte and speed of cation. What is the correct option among these cases? Answer. Is it linked with atomic number or equivalent weight? Decide. So correct answer is equivalent weight, right? Because we say that equal gram equivalents are deposited or liberated when unit amount of or let's say n amount of current is passed, right? So number of Faraday's passed is same as number of gram equivalents deposited or liberated. That is a summary of Faraday's law, and this summary can be used for all the questions to be solved, right? Come to next question on your screen. Question number 3 आप देख पा रहे होंगे. A solution containing 1 mole per liter of CuNO3 whole twice, AgNO3, Hg2NO3 whole twice, and all is given. The question is, with increasing voltage, the sequence of deposition of metal at the cathode will be. Now, just observe one thing very clearly. मैग्नीशियम का रिडक्शन पॉजिटिव है 2.37, बाकी सारे नेगेटिव है. तो क्या मैग्नीशियम को रिड्यूस कर पाओगे? यहाँ पे कैच है, इसको ध्यान से समझना और उसके हिसाब से अपने आप कॉल ले सकते हो. सीक्वेंस आप देख लोगे यहाँ पे वैल्यू से 0.80, 0.79, 0.34, बट क्या मैग्नीशियम यहाँ पे आएगा? आंसर इज मैग्नीशियम यहाँ पे आप रिड्यूस नहीं कर पाओगे. सो विच ऑप्शन मेक सेंस? Ag, Hg, Cu, no Mg, no magnesium because it is a different number. कर पाएंगे ऐसे क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट ऑन स्क्रीन, the electric charge for electrode deposition for 1 gram equivalent of a substance is. 1 gram equivalent के लिए 1 Faraday पास करोगे. 1 Faraday is charged on 1 mole of electron and 1 mole electron पे चार्ज कितना होता है? 96500 coulombs, right? So can you mark the option? The question is the electric charge for electrode deposition for 1 gram equivalent of a substance is. Which option is the best suitable option for the given case? Please mark. Can we mark 96500 coulombs per second? No, coulombs per second is not the unit of charge. It's a unit of current. Question is about charge. So which option is making maximum sense? Charge on 1 mole of electron. Answer is option number D. ठीक है. एक और क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन पे है. The question number 5, the reactions half Hg2 plus AgCl solid gives H plus Cl minus plus Ag solid occurs in galvanic cell. देखो galvanic cell का representation बहुत सिंपल सा है बच्चों. बीच में जो दो वर्टिकल लाइन है वो सॉल्वेट को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगी. लेफ्ट साइड में ऑक्सीडेशन होगी, राइट साइड में रिडक्शन होगी. इस क्वेश्चन में ऑक्सीडेशन किस चीज की हो रही है आप ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करिए. this is Hg2 plus given, actually it should be H22 plus. So H2 becoming H plus, यहाँ पे H2 H plus में जा रहा है, तो आपका लेफ्ट साइड में H2 होना चाहिए और राइट साइड में AgCl becomes Ag. So if you mark the options accordingly, what will be the final outcome of this? Yes, what will be the final outcome of this? Answer will be C option, right? H2 becoming H plus and AgCl is becoming Ag and Cl minus. Right? So just make sure that this is Hg2 is H2, not Hg. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. Please share this information with your friends also that PYQ series is done on this channel and take the maximum benefit out of it. Thank you.